coming home late night. I've been sleeping past daylight. I'm waking up, you're not by my side. Baby, that ain't right. I wanna be there with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and I hope you guys are all having a very great day. If you are new, I would love if you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post a new video. Today's video is a spring makeup tutorial. I honestly love doing my makeup, but I just don't make tutorials because I honestly feel like there's a lot out there I still need to learn and correct myself on. I'm not a certified makeup artist or whatever you call it, but this is how I actually do my makeup and I think it's pretty good. If you want to know how I did this look, keep on watching. For my eyeshadow, I will be using Too Faced. I'm gonna start off with priming my eyelids. For the concealer part, I use the Anastasia one, this one. So with the brush, you're gonna start off first. You're gonna use translucent powder. When you're finished with that, you're gonna grab your very first color for your crease. The first color I'm gonna use is Georgia, and we're just gonna go in circular motions. And try not to go all the way over here because then this part will get messy. And then with the brush R33, we're gonna grab a darker color than that, which will be Side Peach. Just gonna do the same thing but lower the first one. And with like a clean brush, just try to clean the top so it doesn't get messy. With another brush, M441, you're gonna go with a little darker color, which is Pure. This one right here. And with that one, we're gonna gently press on the ends. Kind of messy, but at the end, I'll look like this one. I need to sneeze. I think I'm sick. Oh my lord. Okay, so now with this brush, I'm gonna add some concealer. The one I prefer is Tarte. If you guys have like a small eyelid like me, you would want to put the concealer more to the top. This brush, M705, I'm gonna grab Nectar, this one right here, and I'm gonna apply it where I concealed. Okay, now we're gonna want to use the same brush we used for the brown, and we're gonna keep dabbing. Okay guys, so I already finished blending the outside part. So now to the cleaning. So you're just gonna grab a single brush. It doesn't matter what concealer you clean it with, but me, I use Tarte. And then with the same brush, clean it. First, make sure you clean the brush because then you're gonna make a mess. And then you're gonna brush outwards. And then after when you're done, you're gonna want to grab a clean brush and then you're gonna clean the sides so the color doesn't go all over to your eyebrows because I don't really like that. Now it's time to put on your eyelashes, and I don't like doing them on camera because I'm not that good, so you guys don't want to see all that mess. But eyelashes I will be using today are the Huda Beauty Novelli, I don't know, 14, really like that. So I already applied the eyelashes. So now I'm gonna start applying my foundation. For applying my foundation, I will be using this primer. I will be using this brush, and also I will be using the beauty blender to blend. I look white. So now for the concealer part, I'm gonna be using Tarte. And then we're just gonna use a beauty blender to blend. Okay, so now for the contouring part, I will be using the Anastasia in this shade. Do you say shade for contour? Yeah, I think so. But in this one. And I will be using this MAC brush. Let me just see. And then I'm gonna repeat that same thing on the other side. And then now we're gonna contour the nose. I'm using the same brush to contour my nose. If you have a big forehead, I'm not trying to say it in a rude way, but if you have a big forehead, contour it. But like me, I don't know if my forehead is that big. I don't think so. I don't have to, but I don't know, I just like it. I just feel like if I don't contour, then all this is gonna look all white because of foundation. And I contour that jawline. I need this because I have a double chin. Who's this? Who's this? It's crooked. I'm gonna go with the powder contour. So it's with the Anastasia powder. I'm gonna start with these two. And this is the brush I use. The same powder I use is this one. Laura Merced.
Laurita, Laurita.
Laurita. With the beauty blender, I'm gonna just tap on it. And we're just gonna let it set for a little while. I'm gonna dust the powder off with this brush. I don't know where it's from, but with this brush. I'll grab the black eyeliner for the bottom of my eyes. We're just gonna add a little bit. We don't want it to be like, you know. I'm gonna add mascara to the bottom eyelashes. Everyone's favorite part, we're gonna be adding some highlight. And the highlighter I use is V Cosmetics. The brush I will be using is this one. Okay, so now for the lipstick part, I'm gonna be outlining my lips with this. And you should always try to go with like the same color that your lipstick's gonna be, but since I don't have a dark one, just, you know, get any color. It really doesn't matter, but this looks from K Von D, shade Bow and Arrow. This color is very pretty. I bought it at Sephora for $19. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it to the end, I love you and I hope you learned something new. And I want to see that flicky makeup. So in order to get a best comment shout out, all you need to do is leave a nice comment and turn on your post notifications. Today's best comment shout out goes to Araceli Vasquez. She said, "Oh, Nikki B, that you? Girl, continue on what you're doing. I see you getting places. Much love, girly." Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.